Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I am going to be filming a get ready with me, but also talking about my journey on YouTube and where I feel I'm at and how I'm kind of disappointed in myself. So let's get started. By the way, Natalie is joining me today.
What's good?
What's good? So, recently, I guess I should be talking about what I'm putting on my face. This is sunscreen. I'm just moisturizing my face before I go and put on my actual makeup. So, I want to talk about what I've been really doing on YouTube and if I even enjoy it, and even if I've been wanting to continue doing it. I enjoy making videos and I enjoy editing videos, but I don't like confining myself to a certain topic. I also find that I'm doing everything because I have to and not because I want to, and I'd rather have more fun with it. Oh yeah, I forgot to
show the product.
Yeah, I know. Just telling me to show the product. I'm using a CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. I like BB creams better because they're a little bit lighter and they're not as heavy like as other foundations, but they still kind of cover up everything. And then I got this off of Amazon. They suck. They were literally freaking
Don't buy
yeah,
it.
don't buy it. They were like 14 bucks, but I was desperate at the time. They're okay, they do the job. So anyway, back to what I was saying about me doing YouTube. I want to be able to film things that I thoroughly enjoy and not just because I have to post a video that week. Because at the end of the day, I'm not really doing this for money anymore. At first, that was my motivation, and they always tell you when you watch videos to not do YouTube just for the money. You have to thoroughly like it and enjoy it, and I definitely believe that that's where I was lacking. I just wanted to be monetized very badly, but I know that takes time. So why not have fun in the process of doing YouTube?
Girl, the left side of your face looks so pretty.
Wow, so the other side looks ugly?
What? It's got dots all over it. Not freckles, but dots.
So yeah, anyway, I'm going to be doing more videos with my friends. Hence a good reason why Natalie's here. Ew! Okay, what the fuck was that?
I'm not ready yet. Don't worry when you turn the camera away.
I know, I'm sorry.
I can compose myself.
But I want to do some videos that are fun, like challenges. You know, I want to talk about things as well. I was thinking about like having like a sit down talk session with my friends, because I feel like we talk about pretty interesting things, not just mundane like everyday things. We like to have really deep conversation. Through that, I'm just kind of experimenting now, and I just want to have fun. I don't really care. I'm not going to stick to just one thing, like doing workouts or doing, I don't know, travel videos. I'm still gonna do those kind of videos, but I'm just gonna have fun with it. Like, I'm trying to care less because I want to just have fun. Also, I just wanted to add in that I didn't actually finish my Grease videos. I don't know, I just was being really hard on myself, and it just was not making me happy. And I don't know, I was kind of embarrassed for some reason. I like my Santorini video, so I left that one up, but the Mykonos and the Athens one, the Mykonos one I deleted, and then the Athens ones I'm not even going to bother because I just lost it. But yeah, I've been too much in my head, and I need to figure out what the hell I want to do with this channel. But yeah, that's just a side note. Okay, sorry guys, my camera died, so we've been sitting here for 3 hours.
A long time.
3 hours. So I am now going to do my eyebrows, and I swear by this brow palette. It's the Benefit Browsings. Not very good with the names of these makeups, but you get this at makeup products. But you can get this from Shoppers. It's kind of expensive, but honestly, I love it. It looks like this on the inside. No, I'm not balling. What I like to do is I go in with a spoolie just to kind of like make sure that the hairs are going the right way. And then I dip it in the gel part first to outline my eyebrows. So I hope this is like, okay. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but I outlined the bottom first, and I go in with the powder to just kind of make the line a little bit more darker, and then I lightly go into the middle to make it kind of fade inwards, and then I do the exact same thing to the top of my eyebrow. Okay. So the top part's on, dip it in the powder, and then go back. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you have light strokes. You don't want to press too hard, because if you press too hard, the lines come out very messy. And then your eyebrows do not look snatched. So that's basically it. And I'm going to do the other one. Occasionally, if the brush starts to get, I don't know, like dirty, I like to like clean it, because if I clean it again, it just becomes sharper, and then I can make the lines look cleaner on my eyebrow. Okay, next I'm just gonna go in and just fill them out on the side here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the gel again and then make little brush strokes to make it look like my eyebrows are still hairy. I'm gonna start making upward motion, so I go like this and I kind of make ticks. Okay, so I'm pretty much done my eyebrows. So what I do now, a lot of people think it's kind of weird, but it just keeps my eyebrows in place, and it works really well. I go in with mascara. This is literally another drugstore mascara. It's Rimmel London. God, I feel like such a beauty guru when I do this.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you're right though, because I mean, I always wonder. I don't know makeup. My eyebrows are just 100% hair.
Another drugstore product, because I'm cheap as fuck. These are the lashes that I'm using.
Dangle, baby.
So these lashes I got online from AliExpress, $3, and they're fluffy. I don't like the synthetic looking ones. If you can see, they're very fluffy, so I don't have to add any mascara to it, so I can use these a lot more. They're $3, so I got like 6 of them, so I can reuse them. And I've only used 1 pair so far, and I'm gonna use these until they get really, really ratty. And then so I just add glue to the base. You have to get it to become a little tacky so that it sticks properly. And like also more mukbangs, because I love eating.
Oh yes.
I know she's down. Mukbang. Yeah, we're gonna do mukbangs, and we're just gonna have like, I'm gonna put this down a little bit. We're just gonna have fun with it, you know? I'm just gonna do my thing. I'm gonna just be me. I'm not gonna stick to one niche anymore. I'm just gonna make videos because I want to do it. I know I keep repeating that, but it's very important to me that that is the sole reason why I do it.
That did make sense.
I literally look so different when I put lashes on. 12-year-old girl,
Not
ready
like
for the club.
Corpse and ready for the club.
Seriously, I look like I'm dead. Second lash on, and now I literally look already so different. but that's just me being a whole ass catfish. It's true. Okay. Ew, you're like blurry and creepy in the back. Okay. So now we're gonna go contour. I have the Kat Von D contour palette, the shade Light, and I like it because it's like bigger and it's fluffier. And I always pat it off of my arm a little bit because I don't want it to be too heavy. Okay, so okay, so once I have the contour done, I go in with my blush and I just give myself a little bit more color on the tops of my cheeks right here. So I usually go in, so when I contour my face, I go with the darkest here. This one I bronze kind of like up on my face, and then this one I use mostly for my nose so that, yeah, I don't know, it doesn't look the lightest one. But sometimes I've been going in with the darkest one just to see if it does anything different, and it kind of does. Okay, and now this is my favorite part, is the highlighter. This I got from Muji in Japan. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't even know if you can find it here. Literally everything on the back is in Japanese. But you can use any eyeshadow, to be honest with you, if you don't want to buy highlighter. I use like a light shade here. This is literally eyeshadow, but I use it for my highlight. This is literally my everyday. This is not like a glam. So this is what it looks like. Hold on, let's focus. And this is like my work. Like if I'm going to work, like it's a lot, but the eyelashes is what makes it look a little bit more dramatic. But this is not my glam look. Maybe I'll make a video on my glam look.
I got a flawless face, so I never used it before.
Wow. But anyway, guys, like I said before, I am now switching up my YouTube, just do what I want to do and do this because I like to, not just because I have to or because I want to be monetized, or I'm not going to stress too much about it. I'm letting myself down when I don't post a video, or if that video doesn't get as many views as I want. So I'm changing it up. I'm having fun, just kind of exploring the world of my YouTube and my creativity and just expanding what I'd like to do. So like I always say, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Can you please hit that like button and leave a comment below if if you think this is a good idea, you know, just to kind of have fun with it rather than caring so much about monetization, because that's not what YouTube is about. Like I say always, I'll see you guys next Sunday, and I will keep uploading and I'll just keep collaborating with more people and having fun with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and Natalie and I both say bye. Bye.